Hi One-Time Plumber friends, today I'm going to be informing you on how to get through a boil advisory. Although most boil water events are short-lived, they actually occur far more frequently than you might think. First, let's go over the things you should not do during a boil advisory. Drink water, make or drink coffee or tea, cook with water, brush your teeth with water, make ice, wash yourself or your dishes. In addition, make sure you are boiling your water properly before using any water in your home. Here's how to boil your water properly. Pour tap water into a large pot. Turn the temperature to high. Set it on the stove. Make sure your water is fully boiling for at least 1 minute. Allow the boiled water to cool down naturally. Once it's completely cooled down, then you can use it. It's important to note that your pets also can't drink water that hasn't been properly boiled and cooled first. Dogs can especially get sick from the same germs that humans can get sick from during a boil advisory. On the bright side, you can use tap water that hasn't been boiled properly for some things in your home during a boil advisory. These tasks include washing your clothes, watering your plant or garden, and washing the dishes, as long as you let them air dry completely before you use them.